up, Jump 15 crew? Today we're taking on a 15-minute workout, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, jump rope and bodyweight exercises. But first, I have a huge announcement. I have my first channel sponsor, and that is Elite Jumps. Elite Jumps is a fantastic jump rope company. I could not be happier to be partnering with them. You can check out their ropes. I got them linked down below with a 15% off code for you. I'm gonna be using my 5mm PVC freestyle rope, which has quickly become my favorite jump rope over the past number of months. And I'm also gonna be using this beast of a rope, their new Muay Thai 3.0 heavy jump rope. I'm gonna have a review coming on this. I love it because it's size adjustable, which is key. But without further ado, let's get into this workout. Starting off with jump rope, baby. Focus on that good form and technique as always. That always comes first. Next up, we're gonna do some bodyweight squats. Make sure we're getting down deep into that 90-degree bend in the legs. More seconds.
Rest.
Whew. Let's go. I'm moving to the heavy rope, back to the jump rope. One thing I'm loving about this rope is the color. It's a bright neon green. I love how it stands out. Next up, push-ups. I liked it for the 15 seconds rest so we can push it hard and have that 15 seconds rest to recoup and then go hard again. Push-ups. Go to your knees if you need to, if you get tired. Woo.
Rest.
Back to the rope. I'm gonna practice crisscross, see if I can get it for the full 30. No misses, baby. That's what we're going for. Bonus points if you can throw some footwork in. Ah, ruined. That's okay. Just get started. Keep it rocking. No! Whew. Keep your jump rope. We're going back to the heavy rope. All right. Do some mountain climbers. Oh, you feeling it? How you doing? Hang in there. Keep pushing it. 7 rounds in, back to the jump rope. Next up, bodyweight squats. All right, back to the jump rope. Oh. Alternate leg if you can. Oh, excuse me. Water went down the wrong pipe. All right, guys. 30-second rest. Whew. We're beginning round 2 of that. Same thing, baby. Not necessarily same exercises though. Push-ups. Sorry, it's late on that. Nice and controlled.
Rest.
Grab your rope. I'm gonna go with the skier. Hop for this one. I like to get that lateral movement in when I can. Keep those knees strong in the lateral plane, baby. Nice work, keep going strong. Let's do squat thrusts. seconds left. Keep going hard.
Rest.
Next up, jump rope. Let's do the forward straddle or scissor jump. Oh. Don't forget to breathe deep. In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Rest.
Next up, some abs. We're gonna do a 90-degree crunch. So legs up at a 90-degree angle, crunching it up. Focus on really squeezing those abs. Exhale as you contract up. You can use your other hand to feel that contraction.
Rest.
Back to the jump rope. I'm gonna go for a round of speed. Really aim at getting that heart rate up. Alternate leg. Go as fast as you can, or you're not tripping up. You don't want to be tripping up, that doesn't help you at all. Everything's always controlled. Four, three, two, one.
Rest.
Woo! All right. Bodyweight squat. We're gonna do 1 second down, 4 seconds back up. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Just keeping that tension on the muscle longer. Should be burning. Fight through that.
Rest.
Oh, nice work. Let's go back to the jump rope. I'm just gonna freestyle it. If you wanna work on one particular skill, go for it. Otherwise, have fun. All right, we're gonna do burpees. If you just need to do bodyweight squats, if that's too much for you right now, that's fine. Take it to your level. That was a good one. Jump rope is next. This is our last one. So give it everything you got. finish strong. That's what we like to do it. This rope's got my shoulders on fire. Woo. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Woo. Nice work. Thank you for joining me today. Let me know down in the comments how you like this workout. If you like the talking, less talking. Let me know. I need to hear from you. I want to hear what you want more of. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh.